I'm Dr. Cindy Culpepper, and I am a veterinarian at my own practice called Paws and Claws Animal Medical Center. It is in Dunedin, or downtown Dunedin, and I have been at my own practice now for 2 years. As far as what I started out as, I obviously went to high school, graduated high school, and then actually went to veterinary technician school first and worked as a technician while I got my bachelor's degree. A bachelor's degree is a 4-year degree, and I majored in biology. And from there, I ended up applying to 12 veterinarian schools, and was blessed enough to get into several different ones, and I ended up going to Mississippi State. And vet school is pretty rigor. It is 4 years. The first 2 years is typically classwork, labs, and then in your junior year or your third year, you get to go and work in the clinic at the vet school and get to practice with your professors how to listen to a dog's heart, how to look at x-rays and understand your x-rays. And then in your senior year, you actually get to go out into the community and work at various practices so you can get life skills of what you've been learning and actually practice them. So when I graduated, I ended up working at a 7-doctor practice in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. And I learned a lot from all those different veterinarians and all of their experiences, and then ended up coming back home to Florida and have worked here in Clearwater and then now in my own practice. So it's been really a nice kind of evolution of being not only a technician, but I've done kennel work, and I've done the holding of animals, cleaning. So there's a lot that goes into veterinary medicine. It's not just a veterinarian. I have realized that animals will teach you daily, and that you will never learn everything that you could possibly learn. So education is always big. And each year, veterinarians have to do continuing education. So we have to go to classes, we have to go to labs. So graduating doesn't mean that you're done with school. It means that you're just beginning. And I think the best part of my job is educating and getting to meet the families of the pets, and obviously seeing the pets. But there's so much more to veterinarian than just taking care of the pet. You're taking care of the family. You're being able to care for them and educate them and help them walk through their life with their pet. And it's definitely a journey, and it is very rewarding. I think the hardest part is having to put an animal to sleep. It is one that is definitely the hardest because you get attached to the pets. You feel the pain and the hurt from their owners and their family members. But it is something that allows these pets to not suffer. So it's a bittersweet but very hard. As far as what I do besides having my own practice is I am involved in the community. I work with Dunedin Cares. We're involved with helping local people make sure they have meals for their families. We are involved with Suncoast Animal League. I try to give voices to the pets that they don't have anybody to speak for. So we do that. I've done the Great American Teach-In for many years, which has been awesome. Usually we get to see you in person. And we try to be involved in Dunedin and try to help others. I feel like you should always pass it forward. So if you can help others in whatever way, then they'll pass it to somebody else. And I think that makes the world a better place. So it's just something to think about. Things I look for when I hire somebody is, honestly, it's really personality in the care. You have to have a passion for not only animals, but also for people, and understanding that it's their animal and it's their family member, and It's personal to them. It's their heart. And so when I want to hire somebody, I want them to have the same passion for that as I do. You can train people and you can go to school and you can be smart, but if you don't truly care about what you do, then it's not going to work. So find something that you really love to do. Know there's good days, know there's bad days, but at the end, you're giving back what you love. Veterinarians do not make tons of money, but it's about the passion. It's about being able to do something for these pets and for these families, and that at the end of the day is the most important part. As far as other things veterinarians can do, you don't have to just do small animal. There's horses and there's cows and there's working for the USDA, FDA. There's so many opportunities in the veterinary world that so many people don't ever think of. So options in the veterinary medicine are endless. But keep in school, keep working hard, and there will be days that you may hate school and feel like you're never going to make it through, but you will. So keep your head up. And I hope this has helped. I've also attached or sending some pictures and video clips of some different things here that we do. So I hope that helped, and have a great day. Bye-bye.